Hello, my friends. Welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. Today we are going to draw an elephant. At first, I draw a shape of the head. Then I draw the eyes and eyelash, eyebrow, and I draw the trunk. I draw the ears. Then I draw the body. I draw the legs. Elephants are huge animals. And tail. Let's coloring with black color. Pink color. Blue color.
Let's do the stomp, the big, big stomp. Shake the ground, make the whole world jump. 1 foot up and 1 foot down. The loudest stomp around. At the riverbank, we take a drink. Our dusty bodies splash at the brink. Water so lovely, such sweet delight. We frolic and play till the fading light. Let's do the stomp, the big, big stomp.
White color. Green color.
Giraffes munch leaves high in the sky, while zebras with stripes go racing. Lions goes lazily under the sun.
Thank you for watching.
Always